Hi guys, welcome to How to Maximize. In this video, I will show you how to activate Vodafone SIM card Australia. First, you need to open vodafone.com.au in your web browser. Once you're in, scroll down and click on Activate SIM. First, insert the SIM into your device and turn it on. Next, find the activation key on your SIM pack. Lastly, have a valid form of ID on hand. If you have understood these steps, click on OK, let's get started. Here, add the activation key. Once you're done, click on Continue. After that, just go ahead and complete the whole process and your SIM card will be activated. If you have any trouble doing so, you can click on Contact Us from the bottom of the main page. Vodafone team will help you in solving that problem. Thanks for watching and please leave a like, subscribe and share.